Hello everyone, welcome to this series on critical approaches to literature, and in this video we are going to discuss the third part of the psychological approach, and we will take up possibilities and limitations of this approach. Introduction. The psychological approach to literary criticism, especially through the Freudian perspective, has long been a source of fascination and controversy. This video explores the utility of Freudian theory in literary analysis while also highlighting the need for a balanced approach. By understanding both the strengths and limitations of the psychological approach, critics can employ it more effectively and responsibly. Defense of the Freudian approach. Despite the controversy, the Freudian approach to literary criticism is grounded in substantial psychological insights. Qualified critics base their interpretations on detailed case histories and established psychological theories. Scholars like Ernest Jones and Mary Bonaparte have articulated their interpretations with remarkable cogency. When the basic premises of psychoanalysis are accepted, these interpretations become difficult to refute. Freudian theories have also significantly influenced modern writing and literary criticism. Authors such as James Joyce, Eugene O'Neill, Tennessee Williams, Philip Roth, and Edward Albee have incorporated psychoanalytic ideas into their works. Additionally, prominent critics like Edmund Wilson, Lionel Trilling, F. L. Lucas, Frederick Hoffman, Sandra Gilbert, Helen Sixto, and Julia Kristeva have utilized these theories to provide deep insights into literature. Therefore, it is essential for serious students of literature to be acquainted with psychoanalytic theory, as it offers valuable tools for understanding both literature and human nature. Influential figures. Freudian theory has had a profound impact on many influential figures in literature and criticism. Authors such as James Joyce and Tennessee Williams have used psychoanalytic concepts to explore complex psychological themes in their works. Similarly, critics like Edmund Wilson and Julia Kristeva have employed Freudian insights to deepen their literary analyses. This widespread influence underscores the importance of psychoanalytic theory in modern literary studies. Importance for students. For students of literature, understanding psychoanalytic theory is crucial. It provides a framework for exploring the psychological dimensions of literary characters and themes. This approach can reveal hidden meanings and motivations, offering a deeper appreciation of literary works. However, it is important to approach psychoanalytic criticism with a balanced perspective, recognizing its potential while avoiding over-reliance. Caution against over-reliance. While the Freudian approach offers valuable insights, there are significant dangers in becoming over-reliant on psychoanalytic theory. Critics who focus too narrowly on psychological analysis may neglect other important aspects of the text. Viewing great works of fiction or poetry primarily as psychological case studies can lead to missing their broader significance and essential aesthetic experience. Not all literary works lend themselves to psychoanalytic analysis, and even those that do should not be examined solely from this perspective. Literary interpretation and psychoanalysis, while related, are distinct fields. Merging them too closely risks obscuring the true essence of the literary work. Limitations of psychological approach. Theory-driven analysis. Critics may become overly focused on psychoanalytic theory, resulting in narrow interpretations that overlook other important elements of the text. This can lead to one-dimensional understanding of the work. Misapplication. Some works of literature do not fit well with psychoanalytic analysis. Forcing such interpretations can lead to strained and unconvincing readings that fail to capture the text's complexity and nuance. neglect of aesthetic experience. Focusing too much on psychological dimensions can detract from the aesthetic appreciation of a work. Literature should be enjoyed for its artistic beauty and emotional impact, not just dissected for psychological content. Balanced approach to criticism. To use the psychological approach effectively, critics should integrate it with other methodologies. Combining psychoanalytic insights with formalist historical, biographical, and sociological analyses can provide a richer, more comprehensive interpretation. This holistic approach ensures that critics do not miss the broader significance and aesthetic qualities of the text while still exploring its psychological dimensions. Conclusion. The psychological approach, particularly through Freudian theory, offers valuable tools for literary interpretation. However, it should be applied with caution and balanced with other critical approaches. By doing so, critics can gain deeper insights into literature without losing sight of its broader significance and aesthetic qualities. This balanced perspective allows for a more nuanced and enriching analysis, enhancing both understanding and appreciation of literary works. So this was the third part of the psychological approach to literary criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.